Hello, welcome back everybody. I'm taking the opportunity between the rain, between the storms. It's been quite a torrid couple of days here. That said, nothing compared to what our friends in Florida are going through now. And we do have some viewers in Florida, so Hurricane Milton's just hitting and hitting hard. So hopefully everybody's okay over there. I don't suppose you're watching. You've got probably better things and more important things to be concentrating on right now, but we wish you all the best. So we've had a bit of a windy, stormy time. So I'm taking the opportunity to, in between that, to clear all this wood from the chicken coop. If you remember when I first went into the chicken coop, I just threw everything outside, dismantled it, the rafters and everything, and it's remained here. So I thought, well, I better tidy up and start to do something with it, because most of it's perfectly okay for burning, but not if it's wet, of course, and it's been in the rain for the last few weeks. So I'm on, that's my second barrow load. And there's some of these rafters, they're not good for anything because they're rotten, but actually there's sections of them which are really solid. So here's one. So that's going to make a useful noggin. So I'm just trying to work out what I can use, what I can't use, and the rest of it's going in the barn just to dry out for a couple of weeks, and it will get burnt this winter. Might as well burn it, it's free wood. The good news is all the conkers are now down, so one last clear up and we're there. Well, when you get a taste for demolition, sometimes you've just got to demolish stuff. Yeah. Ah, that feels good. Bit of demolition, good for the soul. Well, I've put all these bricks in the greenhouse. Whether I use them here or not, I don't know, because this wall that's built up on all the stonework, it's brick, but they're different size bricks, I'm afraid. But I may still use them for some staging or something like that, build some pillars up for staging. But if not, the best place is here because they're out of the way. So they're out of the way and we will clean them up. They won't take long to clean up and we'll use them somewhere in this place. Likely in here, but who knows. Well, you might be wondering why I've suddenly decided to do this. A, it's because we want to do it anyway. This is going to be Susie's grooming, the dog grooming room. But I've still got lots of rubble, broken tiles dotted around the place and they need to go somewhere. And right underneath me is the other half of our cesspit, basically. So it's a big void and I might as well throw all the rubble in there. I've run out of room on that side, and of course, if you remember, we did actually dig quite a lot of that out. Actually, used a lot of the soil in our potager. I'm not sure I'll be digging this side out, but once I've taken this floor up, I can put all the rest of the rubble in. So it makes sense to do it now. Otherwise, I've just got piles of rubble everywhere. So I need a bit of cleaning up. There's a fair bit to do on this. Obviously, the roof. There's no roof. Behind me, that lintel there, that looks pretty rotten. So that part of the wall above the door's got to be taken down and redone. Doors are rotten as hell. This hasn't had a roof on for years and years. So obviously, you know, the doors are rotten. But I'll keep all the metal work, hardware for it. So yeah, I'm glad I've done that, and I've got to take this floor up. I've got to be careful because there's a water pipe running around here and I think this toilet is still plumbed in, so I've got to just be a bit careful where I sever it. But other than that, yeah, I'll take this off and fill that and then we can build a floor above it. So and that's the first time in about 4 weeks I've been able to actually use that mower. It's been so wet, the grass has been growing, it's too long, and the mower just can't handle it, unfortunately. So, but we've had a couple of dry days, so yeah, that's the first cut. I'll let that dry, and then another cut slightly lower, a couple of days time.
Just like to say thank you to Sandra McCulloch. She sent us a new grooming kit. This is a great little kit actually. It's got a nail file, charger, comb, scissors, and it just came in time because my other clippers had just broken and we really need them with these.
We do go through them.
Yeah.
Right, we've got 10 minutes. Lexi gives us 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then she's off.
Sorry, darling.
So we'll get on with this. We'd like to say a big thank you to everybody for watching. And if you'd like to click like and subscribe, that will help us enormously. And hopefully our midweek vlog will be something a little bit different, but we are dependent on the weather, so we'll hopefully get that one filmed. But in the meantime, we shall see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Good girl.
Actually, okay.
There you go. That was about 10 minutes.
Enchanté.